Hi, this is Adam Ashba, broker and real estate expert for Ask Luxury Realty. We're here in downtown Columbus in the beautiful Goodale Park, right here in the popular Short North Arts District. Short North has exploded after the last 10 to 15 years. New construction, great bars, restaurant, everything nightlife that Columbus has to offer. So if you're interested in a condo walking distance to at least 100 different bars and restaurants here in Columbus, Ohio, I might just found the right condo for you. So stay with us for this episode of This House of the Week. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to 150 West 5th Avenue, located in downtown Columbus in the famous Short North Arts District. This condo is a newer construction, built about 10-12 years ago. Features 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Each bedroom has its own full bath, which makes it really nice for a roommate situation or extended family if they're coming to visit. One thing that's great about this condo that makes it pretty unique, as most people might know in downtown living, is there's an attached, I repeat, an attached 2-car garage to the unit. So no need to worry about finding parking space down here. It's right down the street, right off 5th Avenue to High Street, full access to countless numbers of bars and restaurants. Again, all walking distance, great location. This property won't last very long. Look for the information below. We have an upcoming open house. Take a look at it. There's also an interior video tour as well. But stop in to 150 West 5th Avenue here in Columbus, Ohio, downtown the Short North District, and we'll see you soon. And again, this is another episode of This House of the Week.